Hi there. So this question is about Java's string class, and it's about loops a bit. And in a way, it's about lists because it's also testing your understanding of the fact that strings are stored as in an array-like structure, in a list, with the first element stored at the 0 position in the list, and so on. Right? So it's a few things going on here. Now, on the exam, there are a lot of methods in the Java string class because in programming we do a lot with strings. But the only ones you're responsible for is this subset, right? And you'll have this with you on the exam. Let's just look at this substring method, which returns a substring from the from position. So from is, say, 0. It will return the substring from the 0 position, and say 2 is equal to 3. So it doesn't return what's at the 3 position because it's actually ending at 2 minus 1. So it would return 0, 1, 2. Okay, the substring, the characters that are at 0, 1, 2, it would return that substring. So that's how that works. So let's go over here. And so we've got this string str, which is 6 characters long, but we're subtracting 1 from that. So we end up with something that's actually 5 characters long. And, we're going up to 5. But since this is a less than sign here, we'll never get to 5, only get to 4. So the maximum value that rep is going to take is 4. Right? And that's important in terms of array bound issues or string bound issues, index out of bound issues. Okay, so let's see what happens here. So the first thing that happens in the loop is that we're going to print the substring from 0, because we're starting with rep equal to 0, to rep plus 2. So rep plus 2, 0 plus 2 is 2, so, but we don't include the 2. So it's actually whatever at 0 and 1. So that's the AB. So we know that's out. These guys are still in. This one we're still have some questions about, although if you're quick, you might have seen that that's not going to be an issue. Well, let's do that right now. Why is that not an issue? Maximum value that rep is going to get is 4, right, when we get into here. And the string is 6 characters long, so 4 plus 2 is 6. That you might think, oops, that's a problem because it's this is 0-based addressing, so that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is going to be out of bounds. But remember that this particular substring method goes from to 2 minus 1. So it's not actually going to look in the 6 position, it's going to look in the 5 position. So that's actually, if you think ahead like that, that eliminates E. Okay? We're not going to get out of bounds here. So let's do one more loop. So now we're going from 1. So the substring that is from 1 to 2, and that's BC. So that's out because we've already printed AB, but then that's CD. That one looks good. This one is out because of the CB instead of BC. So we actually, at this point, know the answer. Right? We don't need to process through the loop anymore. And the answer is C. Thank you.